Mpumelelo Mseleku is the son of Umayeni and Musa Mseleku. Following the footsteps of his father, having many wives as he is already with his baby mama and his girlfriend at the same time. Mpumelelo Mseleku, speaking about his relationship, he said that I am not cheating but following my father's footsteps. My relationship with them is built on trust and transparency. There is no secret about it. The baby mama lives in Cape Town and the other girlfriend lives in Durban. I can't reveal their names, but I've been dating them since 2019 and I introduced them to each other. There's no fight between the two because I was honest with them from the beginning. For now, I can't say how many wives I need, but it's definitely going to be a polygamous marriage. I don't want my family to perish merely because I failed to make kids, Mpumelelo Mseleku added. In my opinion, Mpumelelo is not wrong in living the life that he chooses to live, which is following the footsteps of his father, and he must not be judged as it is his choice. Everyone has a choice, and as long as he is always honest to his partners, then there's nothing wrong. It's always better to know that there is another person in your partner's life than to have them always lying to your face and being dishonest. So which one is better? To have your partner lie to you about having a side chick, or to have your partner tell you to your face that I am not only dating you? So which one would you prefer, Bomtase? Anyway, leave a comment below what you think about Mpumelelo Mseleku following his father's footsteps, or would you prefer to have your partner be honest with you and tell you that I'm not only dating you, I'm seeing another person as well, like an open relationship or polyamory, whatever. But yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to me. Till I see you again, Bomtase. Bye bye.